Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video. Just another quick unboxing video of things that I've recently bought off of eBay. Just recently my interest has gone towards old video cameras again. The early days of home movies. So let's get started. Got quite a big one here. It's supposed to be a portable era, but it's far from that, this one. I saw this on eBay, I just had to have it. There we go. A far from portable video recorder. Wow. Looks like the plugs got smashed on the way here, unless it was already like that. This is a Sharp VC-2300 portable VHS video recorder. It's got a 10-pin camera socket on the side there, and you would have had a camera like this basically, and that would have plugged into the side of it. You get a shoulder strap for this, and you would actually take that out with you, and you'd actually film outside with this. It's hard to believe, isn't it, when you think of what we record today with mobile phones. I like the little case it's in, very retro. Let's take the front down and have a quick look. I'll be doing a separate video on this, it deserves one on its own. Here we go. This was like the Ghetto Blaster range of video recorders at the time. Look at that, it's even got a carry handle. I believe it had a lead acid battery, as well as the power supply. I think the power supply unplugged if I remember rightly. Sold to me as working as well. I think it just had a little bit of a snowy picture on playback, which is probably just the heads that need cleaning. So that's the first one. Pop that over there. And a box within a box. Forget which one this is now. Ah, I remember now. I think this is 2 video cameras that I bought. There's a microphone there. Detect UEM 91. Cardioid microphone. Well, I guess that's where the M would have been, because it's missing. There's no battery in there either. That's a little one. These again are 2 video cameras that would plug into something like that. The days before camcorders. Wow. It's a lot smaller than they looked actually in the picture. It's a nifty little device. JVC camera. So I guess that it must be double jointed so it can clip on the top. Don't want to force it. It clips down there, but I should imagine it comes up onto the top as well. What model have we got? It's a GX-N7E. Very unusual looking. It looks like it's in 2 parts there. Got a feeling that comes off, I forget for what reason. Autofocus as well, it's one of the early autofocus cameras. Very nice, lovely little camera. There for now. What have we got here? Telescopic microphone. Oh, wow. Ah, I guess that goes in there. I see now. So the battery goes inside, so it's powered, and that will go on your hot shoe, and then you can extend it. Well, I guess it saves having a separate sound person. Brilliant. Anything else in there? That's the instructions there for the microphone. Anything else in any of the pockets? No other hidden surprises. Right, let's have a look at this one. This is a Ferguson Video Star. I think these are both tube cameras as well. They're not CCD. Just before CCD came out. Although the early tube cameras, some of them could be better than the CCDs at times. The definition seemed to be a little bit better, there's less blurring. From what I can remember anyway. Well, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. This is very similar to my first ever camera. That Ferguson Video Star. This is actually a clone of a JVC. I think it was a GX88 or 77. This is a Ferguson Video Star model 3V20A. Quite a low serial number actually as well, 2202. But these are quite popular on eBay. It's got a little black and white screen viewfinder in there. Filter on there for daylight and normal light, outside light. Sorry, inside and outside. Shutter, sure. EE auto white balance. Wow. Interesting to see if that works. That's what I was trying to do. TV zoom lens. Microphone covers perish, but they usually do go. I bought quite a number of old video cameras recently. I had another video on these as well, another unboxing. I'm being quite unlucky that very few of them, if any of them, have worked. I think I've only had one or two work actually. I'm hoping to do a video in the future of the early days of home movie making. This is a portable outfit. vhs-c. Let's get these out of the box. Standard rechargeable battery. It's unusual to see one of those in its packet. Wow. Good thing is with these, I think you can change the cells in them. Obviously before they were old NiCad ones. Oh, here's the camera. Again, this is another clone. Nordmende C150. This is actually a clone of a JVC. I haven't got one out actually, but my JVC doesn't work actually. Don't know if you can see that in the viewfinder. It's has some sunburn on there. When the sun goes through the magnifier, it melts the tube. Well, not the tube, the plastic casing around the tube. Another little TV screen in there. Good thing about these old cameras is they have little black and white CRT screens in, which are good for other projects. To buy them on their own is quite hard to find now. And this is the portable video recording unit. So when you compare it to that Sharp one we opened before, that's a lot smaller. I think the Sharp one came out in 1981 and this was probably about the same time, if not a little bit after. Again, Nordmende branded. But in actual fact it is actually a JVC clone. It's a dinky little thing. I think that's a video cassette recorder in a little leatherette carry case. A battery on the bottom there, yeah there is. I've already got two JVC versions of this, but unfortunately, I managed to get one working by combining the two, taking parts from one, putting it in the other. But unfortunately, with they're starting to suffer from plastic fatigue, and the loading up mechanism is starting to crack, unfortunately, because of age. I think we've got one more now. Yes, here we go. Last one. Got a lot of boxes. Right then, let's open this one up. This is a Canon, I remember now. Another separate camera. One was quite cheap if I remember rightly. nearly didn't buy it because obviously I'm starting to run out of space, and I thought I bought enough, but I think I just paid about £8 for that. What's a lovely looking little unit. I'm quite glad I bought it now. Never had a Canon video camera before. It's a VC-20. So we've got a control panel on the side there. I think again this is a tube camera, 4 CCD. Open up that way, don't want to force it. Another little black and white screen inside there. Again, that would plug into one of these portable video recorders. That's a nice little unit, that. I'll have to do a separate video on testing them all. Well, I think that's just about it for today. As always, thank you for watching, and please join me again next time for another unboxing. Until then, I'll be seeing you.